Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm super duper. What about you?
I'm also fine.
Okay, so what's your name? May I know if you haven't any problems? So,
I'm Silpa Bhandari.
okay, and actually, do you know Silpa Shetty?
Yes, I know. He is hero.
What?
He is Bollywood heroine.
I can hear you. Speak loudly a little bit. Do you like that?
I said to you, she is Bollywood heroine.
Oh, okay. So in I said like I'm super duper. So she always do in dancing program super.
Well, I know it. I know it. I also
So
watch. I also watch her movie named Dhadkan.
oh, dhadkan dhadkan. Yeah.
But
Uh, Okay, okay. So, Silpa, what do you do? Are you student or doing job?
I'm student.
Of which is trended?
I study in third year.
Okay, so what's your subjects? Like, over which stream?
And yeah, yes, my stream is English honors.
Wow, English honors. Okay, okay. And where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from West Bengal.
West Bengal. I know something little bit about West Bengal. So
Where is it?
if yeah, I know a little bit. Okay, so, can I tell what I know about Pasim Bengal?
Yes, you
Okay, so
can.
first thing I know, capital is Kolkata,
Yes,
and CM name is Mamta Didi.
Mamta
Mamata
Ben.
Banerjee. Yeah. And Kolkata was capital of India in 2000, 1911.
Oh,
Okay. And Kolkata is nearby Hooghly Nadi. And Rosgulla is a famous sweet in, and Durga Puja festival is famous in Pasima.
much about Kolkata, I think.
And people they speak Bengali. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, my mother tongue is Bengali.
Okay. And yeah, that's it. You can ask
But
me also
what about you?
anything.
Something about you?
Okay, so I'm going to introduce myself. So this is Achal and I'm from Chhattisgarh. Do you know about Chhattisgarh? Do you heard?
Yes, I heard, but I don't know much.
Okay, so it is nearby like Bihar and Jharkhand and Maharashtra.
Okay.
And yeah, and I'm a second year student in BA second year.
Yes, second year student. Okay.
Yeah.
What is your stream?
What?
What is your stream?
I said no, BA Bachelor of Art.
A Bachelor of Arts.
Yeah, I'm BA
Okay.
student. That's why I have a little bit knowledge about other different states.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Okay, so do you have any question? Ask. Just be friendly na, with me.
Uh, I'm little nervous because it's our first conversation in one in English. So I little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm seeing in your face you are a little bit hesitation. But don't think anything. Just think I'm your younger sister. I already told you. Yeah.
You can ask me anything. Anything.
Okay, so like what's your favorite dish? Which thing you like mostly in eating?
My favorite dish is chicken.
Chicken.
I, yes, I like most.
Oh, wow.
Sweet.
So you if I will give you every day chicken so you can eat every day.
No, every day not because I don't like everyday chicken. Every
Okay.
I like every day to eat fish.
Okay. That's good.
You, Bengal is for fish.
Yeah, yeah. I have one Bengali friend.
We, we all Bengali eat many of fish, many varieties of fish.
Oh, that's why. Okay, nice to know that new information. Okay, so what is the famous city in Kolkata?
Hema, um, Kolkata is a big city. Okay, there is
Yeah,
a there is a Victoria Memorial. There is a Science City. There is a many more things like shopping malls or many things in one
yeah.
city.
Like Kolkata is like famous in
Yeah,
Pasim Bengal, PP, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So did you visit any state rather than uh, Pasim Bengal in your that life?
No, no, no.
Same to me.
I I don't.
Okay, so may I know about your family? How many members?
We live in joint family. My
Oh,
yes, 8 members of my family. My fathers are two brothers. Okay, my
Yeah.
father younger brothers, and I have a elder uncle. Okay, I
Okay.
my
Like
father has.
you just say like you have your siblings and your mother and father. Just say like that.
Okay, okay. I am a single daughter, or I have a brother also. I have a brother also.
Younger or elder brother?
No, 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 no. Younger brother. I have a younger
Oh,
brother or me. Okay.
okay. And your mom and father, like we can say 4 members, right?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. We are also joint family. We have a 30 member in my family.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I've always tell na in conversations of people they oh my god 30 member. Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. So do you have any dream? Like in future, do you want to become anything?
Yes, I want to be a teacher.
Wow, teacher. I'm talking to with future teacher. Wow.
That's not. I want to be.
Okay.
Not now. I'm teacher.
Now are you teacher?
No, 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 no. बोला, not now. I'm teacher.
Okay. So I'm saying na, you are. I'm talking with future teacher. Yeah.
O- Okay, okay.
Okay. So I will come in your class to take classes of your. Okay. Can you invite me in your classes?
Nice.
Okay. Then like do you like to celebrate festivals or not?
Yeah, in West Bengal we have many festivals. Okay, many festivals. We have Durga Puja, we have Lakshmi Puja, we have Kartik Puja, we have Diwali, Kali Puja, and lots of puja in here, and lots of fair is there.
In
Okay,
in Bengalis, they women wear like a, I don't know which style of saris. I like that style. Different white and red color
Pura,
is too.
Atpura, Atpura, Atpura,
Oh, Atpura.
Atpura,
Ooh.
Atpura.
Okay, that style I like too much. It's my dream to wear like that saris, but I don't so think I can because it is too tough. I think for me.
No, 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 not down, not down. So easy.
But you know, na that's why you were saying it is easy. But I don't know.
You search in YouTube, then you will see, then you will
Yeah.
understand. That's easy, not too difficult.
Yeah. So, can you tell me something about your hobbies?
Yes, my hobby is listening to music. Okay, I like music so much. Music so much. Okay,
So it's only listening, or you can sing also.
no, no, no. I listen. I can't sing
So you listen like a Bengali song or Hindi.
Bengali song or Hindi song.
So in Hindi song, what do you have any favorite song?
Yeah, many more,
Can you
many more.
tell something one?
Eh, तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो.
Oh, and in Bengali.
Yeah, Bengali. Mm, many more. What I say?
Oh, by the way, can you give me your introduction in Bengali because I like to know.
Okay, I told you.
Okay,
আমি শিল্পা ভান্ডারী আমার
Ami
ভাই
Silm. Okay,
আমি
Ami.
আমি
Okay,
আমি আমি
okay,
আমি সিন্স হিন্দু
मैं
में
yeah, yeah.
আমি শিল্পা ভান্ডারী আমি আমার বাড়ি হচ্ছে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল রাজ্যে ওকে
Okay,
ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল রাজ্যের পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর ডিস্ট্রিক্টে আমি থাকি ওকে
okay.
আমি আমি গান শুনতে ভালোবাসি
ভালোবাসি।
ইয়েস আমি গান শুনতে ভালোবাসি
Yeah, I know some sentence like আমি বাড়ি যাব, আমি জল খাবো.
ইয়েস 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 আমি বাড়ি যাবো আমি জল খাবো আমি ভাত খাবো
Yeah, yeah. I also know little bit.
কোনো গুড
Actually, I have one best friend. She is also Bengali. Like she, yeah, Bengali. So we are best friends. So we do studies with each other. So mostly time she speak no Bengali language. So that's why I know little bit.
ওকে
Yeah, yeah.
which district she lives
Like we are in same district, no? No, see, like her family, they in some before some years they lived in Kolkata, like Pasim Bengal, but now they are living in Chhattisgarh. Now, no. So
Okay.
many many Bengalis, they are living in Chhattisgarh also by my near home. So I have friends, so she speak more and more Bengali, so I know a little bit. Yeah.
Bengali is always Bengali.
You
Everywhere.
ask, yeah, you ask me anything. I'm not asking just thing.
Tell me something, your hobby. What do you like most? What is your dream?
Okay, so my hobbies is eating and sleeping more and more. It is my job, you can say that. My family, they give me lots of abuse word for that. Like you can say, I'm doing job of eating and sleeping, and my family member, they give me payment, like a salary for that abuse words.
That's good.
Uh, so I do job also now rather than my study.
Really, you do job. You can say.
Yeah, I'm a job holder also. I know today.
Yeah. But
And
really,
yeah.
you are really.
And after that, I like to do cooking sometime. And sometime I am from village, so I do sometime farming also with my father,
I'm
with my grandfather.
from village also.
Wow, you are also from. So what do you do? Father, like he's a farmer or doing job?
He's businessman. Okay.
Okay. So in your
With
family, anyone do farming?
few years ago, not now. Okay.
Okay. So do you try? Do you have farms?
Yes.
Wow. So did you visit any time in your? Do you like? By the way, do you like nature?
Yes. Really.
Wow. You are also nature lover. I can say that.
Really nature lover.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so ask me anything. I'm just asking now
What
my
is
question.
what is your dream? I asked you.
As you know that I already told you I'm doing job, so I don't know need to do anything now. Yeah, and I wanna do something in my life, definitely, but not fix what I want to do. I will try to do something in my life.
What?
You can say that not fix. I don't decided. Like, but I will decide early. No, it's need to decide of my future.
You know, after HS, I do DLED course. Okay. DLED means Diploma in Elementary Education, which is
Oh,
important in our West Bengal. Okay.
mhm.
Because if you want to be a teacher, so you will do DLED or BEd because
Yeah,
sorry,
I know.
DLED.
B.Ed, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. So then I completed my sorry, not completed. I admission my graduation. Okay,
Okay.
1 year ago I give a exam. Okay, TET exam. You know TET exam,
Yeah, I heard. Yeah. Then
but the result not come.
I didn't know. It's okay now. Just give exams. One day that will be definitely do something like just give exams and learn something from that. You will get lots of experience now from that exam. It's not a matter you will whine always like you will, but sometime you will learn many things like how to give exam, how to go, where is the center, many things you will learn.
Many experiences will have.
Yeah, yeah. So just do uh like think positive and do positive. That's
Yeah,
yeah. Okay. Then so do you cook? Like do you like cooking also?
I
Like mostly girls. Like for boys they
think
play
in my
cricket.
when my mother is ill and when my mother is go to somewhere, so I cooked in home.
So do you cook like a delicious food, like a yummy type?
Yeah, I cooked mostly non-veg. Okay,
Oh, non-veg. Okay.
I like
So
to
you
cook.
are expert in non-veg.
No, not expert, but I try to cook non-veg. Okay.
But unfortunately, I'm a vegetarian.
Oh, really?
Pure vegetarian, yeah. I just sometimes eat eggs. Otherwise, I don't eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you really vegetarian?
Yeah. Why you are not believing me?
And I can't live without non-veg. Okay, I can't live without non-veg. So
Oh, like my family is mostly really one or two people they eat non-veg. Otherwise, my family is vegetarian family. Yeah, and like you can't live without non-veg, non-veg. So I can't live without milk. I need a milk in every time in eating
okay.
time. Yeah.
Are there everyone is vegetarian?
What?
Are there in Chhattisgarh? Are there everyone is vegetarian?
Nah, 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 no. It's depend on family, person. It's depend on, nah. Not it's like necessary.
Like South India, mostly people are vegetarian. Okay, so
Yeah,
what this I
yeah.
asked you.
Oh, that's why. Okay, but not mostly nowadays. It's depend on people are changing. Yeah, people are changing. They are eating. It's a common nowadays.
I think how can you live without
Oh,
non-veg? I think
oh, so it's your like a habit, like eat non-veg, no? So that's why you are thinking.
mostly Bengali eat mostly people. Uh, what can I say?
Eat
Mostly eat non-veg. Okay, mostly people eat non-veg in West Bengal.
wow. Okay, that's good. Like there is fish is famous, so definitely they will be eaten. No?
Yes, yes.
Okay, but when I know about Rosgulla, so actually I love to eat sweets. So when you are inviting me
Okay,
for
obviously.
Rosgulla,
I take Rasgulla for you. Wait.
send me through the phone.
Okay. Okay, give me your address. I send you.
Okay, I will send you my address. Then you send me Rosgulla.
Okay. You like
Uh,
Rasgulla?
yeah,
It
I
is
like sweet.
it's not Rasgulla. It's Rasogolla. Rasogolla.
Ros Rosogulla.
Rasogolla.
Oh, so I said Rosgulla. Okay, Rosgulla. In normally we say Rosgulla, na?
Rasgulla.
Normally,
Yeah.
but in
Like Bengali people say Rasogolla.
Rosogulla. Wow. Okay, nice to know that thing. Okay, and do you have anything to share? Do you have best friends?
I have best friend, but not now.
Oh, okay, not now.
I have many friends, like school friend, college friend. Okay, but not best friend. Okay.
So yeah, okay, not a best friend. Okay, but we have to make one best friend at least. Best friend there we can share our all thing with that
Yeah, I
friend.
was, but not now because of some
Oh,
problem. Okay.
okay. So okay, no problem. It's happened in life. Life is a play game.
Yeah, really.
Okay. Yeah, but I have one very, very, very cute best friend.
Okay.
She always with me. She always teach me. She always motivate me. Everything.
What is her name?
Lakshmi. Her name is Lakshmi. Yeah. She always do some creative work and motivate. She's a motivational full girl.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. I think
And
now.
my father is also my best friend. I can tell everything. I can share everything with my father. Okay. You know,
Wow. Wow. It's a too good thing.
he is so friendly with me.
Wow. So you can share your every type like happiness thing, sad
Yeah,
thing like that. No? Wow.
he knows
It's really
everything
happened.
about me.
People they say girls are attractive with father and boys are attractive with
Yes,
mom.
yes.
But I don't know. I'm very attractive with. I am attractive with both parties. Sometimes of mom, sometimes of father.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think it's a very long conversation with you. I think it's enough.
okay.
Okay. Then nice to talk with you and keep practicing now with me. I will tell you whenever I will free. Then we will do practice. Okay, like that.